Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Yes, this is me Rashmi, but I have gotten a lot of makeover done. I got a little bit of haircut, hair color, I got my nails done, I got a tattoo. So yeah, a lot of things has been happening because I turned 25 on 22nd June and I wanted to go through a makeover for my 25th birthday. So yeah, so that's the history behind my look today. Don't worry, you're on the right channel. You're looking at the same person but in a different way. So yeah, keeping that aside, let's jump to the video. As you saw in the title, today I'm going to create this look right here. I wanted to create a rainbow look for the Pride month for a long time. I planned this last year as well, but that couldn't happen for some reasons. This month I didn't want it to miss it. So I wanted to end June with this video celebrating pride and love. So yeah, I came up with this look right here. It is very easy. It takes a little bit of time to get to this eyeshadow look, but then it is very easy to do. And so I just wanted to show you guys how I created this makeup look. And if you are excited to see how I got this rainbow eyeshadow look going on, then please continue watching. So yeah guys, since we are doing a very colorful makeup, I'm gonna play with colors. So I just want to do my eye makeup first, just to be safe. I know the palette that I'm gonna use is not going to have so much fallout, but why to take a risk, right? So I'm just going to change my routine a little bit and start with my eye makeup first. So first I'm going to prime my eyelid, and today, because I'm using a lot of colors on my eye, I just want them to pop out and look beautiful. So that's why I'm going to use the NYX Professional Makeup's eye base. This is in the white variant. They have two variants. One is the more like a skin color variant, and this is the white variant. So I'm just going to use this and apply it on both of my eyelids. So yeah guys, the eye base is set. Now it's time to play with the colors. And for my eyeshadow today, I'm using the NYX Ultimate Eyeshadow Palette. This is the one right here. This is the Brights palette, okay? I really love this palette just because it is so colorful. It has so many varieties of shades. It has everything that you need for a pride look or for a rainbow look. It has all the colors. So I'm just gonna start working on my eyeshadow. So first I'm going to pick up this violet color from the palette. It's a beautiful purple color. I'm going to start working this from the right eye. I'm going to create a beautiful, rainbow from my right eye to my left eye, starting from violet. So yeah, I'm just going to put this on my outer corner. So next I'm going to pick up this color right here next to the violet one. This is a beautiful pink color. So I'm just going to pick it up from the same brush on the other end, and I'm going to apply it right next to the violet. Next I'm going to pick up this blue shade from the palette and apply it right next to the pink. So next I'm going to pick up this blue color right here and apply it right next to this dark blue. This kind of a aqua blue, but yeah, it's a very bright color. So yeah, this one. Next I'm going to pick up this shade from the palette, the green one. I'm going to apply it on my inner corner, the leftover part. So yeah guys, with this, one side of my eye is done. It's turned out to be really good. One thing you have to still keep in your mind is to blend out the colors. Like I have 6 colors on my eyelid, but it doesn't look like it. So it's nicely blending from green to blue to pink to purple, you know, there's a very nice transition, so that's what you should aim for. So yeah, one of my eye is done, so we'll just move on to the other eye. So for my other eye, I'm gonna start off with applying a red color on my outer corner. So I'm gonna pick up this color right here from the palette. This is a very good red color, but there's a little bit of shimmer in it. I'll see how I can work with it, but yeah, this is the color. This is very, very bright and very pretty, so yeah. So yeah, red is in place. It looks really pretty. I thought there'll be a lot of shimmer, but no, it's kind of matte. I like it. So next I'm gonna pick up this color right here. It's a light pink color. I want a transition from red to orange. So yeah, I'm gonna work with this and then pick the orange. So I'm gonna pick up this light pink from the palette. So yeah, now the pink is in the place. It's a beautiful transition act, as you can see right here. Now I'm going to pick up this orange shade from the palette. This is a very, very subtle orange. I really like this color. So now I'm going to pick up this color right here from the palette. It's a pinkish orange color. I want this transition here, so I'm just gonna use this. So now last but not the least, I'm gonna use this yellow color from the palette. It's a very bright mustard yellow color, so yeah, I really like this color. I'm just gonna pick it up and apply it on my inner corner. So yeah guys, I have applied all the colors, blended the colors, created a beautiful transition of all like 7 to 10 colors that I've used on my lid. So now it's time for some inner corner highlight, and for that I'm using two colors today, okay, so that it matches the rest of the lid. I'm using this particular lemon lime kind of shimmer. This is a beautiful color. I'm applying it on the green lid, and then I'm going to use this yellow color on my left lid where it starts from yellow shade, okay. So I'm using two inner corner highlights. So we're done with the eyeshadow look. I'm gonna just apply a little bit of eyeliner. So today I'm using the Maybelline's Colossal Bold Liner. So yeah guys, now it's time for mascara. I'm just going to apply it to the upper lashes. I'm using the Smashbox Superfan Fanned Out Mascara. This is how it looks like. So we are almost done with the eye makeup. Let's just move on to the rest of the face. I'm going to do my lower lashes after I do my base. So yeah, let's just jump into the base makeup. So starting off with moisturizer, today I'm using the Lakme Absolute Skin Gloss. This is a new one I got recently. So So yeah guys, moisturizing is done. I feel very fresh after applying this moisturizer. I'm gonna give like 1 minute for this moisturizer to be absorbed by my skin before I move in with the primer. So yeah. So moving on to primer, I got this Smashbox Photo Finish Primerizer's sample version. So I took out like a dollop of the product. Now I'm gonna just massage it into my skin. Now moving on to the base. First I'm going to start off with concealer. I'm using the LA Girls Pro Conceal HD Concealer. This is how it looks like. It's in the shade Pure Beige. You've seen me use this concealer. I really like it. It completely cancels out all the darkness under my eyes and the little bit scars that I have on my face. So yeah, I'm going to use this one. So yeah guys, I've applied the concealer on the problematic areas of my face. I'm just going to start blending the rest of the face using this brush. This is the PAC 272 brush. I'm just going to start blending the rest of the face and then I'll come to the eyes. So yeah guys, concealer is done. Let's move on to foundation. So for foundation today, I'm using the L'Oreal's Infallible Pro Matte Foundation in the shade 105 Natural Beige. This is a beautiful matte foundation. Since I have oily skin, I really like this foundation. It sits beautifully on my skin. Except that it can get a little drying. So I wouldn't suggest this for dry skin girls. So yeah, let's just move on to foundation. So yeah guys, to blend this foundation, I'm using this beauty blender. I got this from Forever 21. I especially got it to use it in this video because it is about the pride look and I wanted to bring in anything and everything that will, kind of contribute to this video. So next we move on to setting our base and the concealer. It's very important to set your concealer. So I'm using the Maybelline's Fit Me Compact. This is how it looks like. I think this is in the shade 115 light medium. I'm gonna leave all of the links down below, so please do check out the description box. So I'm gonna pick up a very fluffy brush like this and just pick up the compact powder and start to set my face. So now I'm going to use the Maybelline's Fit Me Loose Powder in the shade 20 Light Medium. I'm going to use this to bake my under eye. So moving on to the eyebrows, I'm using the Lakme into Kareena Kapoor Khan's Brow Definer. This is in the shade Graphite. I really love this one. Unfortunately, this is not available in the market, but I'm going to link any other brow pencil down in the description box. But yeah, this is a really good one. I just hope they start, producing this again. So yeah guys, eyebrows are done. So my bake has been sitting for a while now. I'm just gonna brush it off. So yeah guys, my base is done. Now I'm gonna finish off my eye look. I'm gonna do the lower lash line. First for the right eye, I'm just gonna pick up the same violet color right here and apply it to the outer corner. So now I'm going to pick up this blue color from the palette and apply it just right next to the violet color. Now I'm going to use this green color right here and apply it on the inner part of the lower lash line. So again, I'm picking up this shade on the same brush that I used and I'm going to stamp it on the outer corner of my lower lash line. Now I'm going to pick up this orange shade right here. Now I'm gonna pick up this yellow color from the palette. So I'm gonna apply the same Smashbox mascara on my lower lash line as well. So guys, let's move on to the bronzer. So today I'm using the Benefits Hoola bronzer. I recently got this and I've used it a couple of times. It's beautiful. I really like that they have this brush. It's very handy, okay? So yeah, I'm just gonna pick up a little bit of this bronzer. So guys, bronzer is done. It's time for some blush, and today I'm using the Maybelline's Fit Me blush. This is in the shade Coral. I really like this color. It's a beautiful pinky color. It also has a little bit of sheen to the blush. So yeah, I totally like this color. So next, let's move on to the highlighter. So today I'm using the Nykaa's Glow Goals Shimmer Brick highlighter. This is in the shade Good Old Gold. So I'm gonna pick up a fan brush and start applying the highlighters on the high points of my face. So yeah guys, I am done with the makeup. So I'm just going to apply some Fix Plus, the MAC Prep Plus Prime. So while my Fix Plus is drying, let's move on to the last step of this makeup, and that is the lipstick. So I have the Smashbox Always On Liquid Lipstick in the shade Gulabe. So yeah guys, the makeup is done. So I hope you guys enjoyed this rainbow eyeshadow look. I really enjoyed. I had a lot of fun. Yes, it was a little bit lengthy because you have to concentrate on the blending and all of that, but then the results is so satisfying. So yeah, I had a lot of fun. I just want to wish you all a very happy Pride month, and love is love in whatever form that it might be. So yeah, I just have to tell, live and let live. On that note, I'm gonna end this video. If you like this video, then please give me a thumbs up. Comment down below what do you think about this makeup look and what do you think of Pride. And yeah, subscribe to my channel because that will mean everything to me. I'll see you in my next one. Until then, take care. Bye bye. Be very safe.